हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम स्पोर्ट्स के टॉप 40 MCQs गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में आपके लिए क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है कमेंट सेक्शन में। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Which country is the birthplace of the Olympic Games? And the answer is Greece. Second question, how many rings are present in the symbol of the Olympic Games? And the answer is 5. Third question, which is the world's first multi-sport event which inducts an equal number of women's and men's medal events? And the answer is Commonwealth Games. Fourth question, headquarters of the Commonwealth Games Federation are located in which country? And the answer is London and England. Fifth question, in which year India hosted its second Asian Games? And the answer is 1982. Sixth question, how many team members are there in each team of a cricket game? And the answer is 11. Seventh question, which sports competition is known as the T20 Blast? And the answer is cricket. Eighth question, which were the participating countries of the first ever Test cricket match that took place in 1877? And the answer is England versus Australia. Ninth question, which country won the Women's Cricket World Cup most number of times? And the answer is Australia. 10th question, who was the man of the match in the final in the 2011 Cricket World Cup, in which India won its second Cricket World Cup champion title? And the answer is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. 11th question, who is Alan Border? And the answer is an Australian cricketer. 12th question, who is the 2019 Wisden leading cricketer in the world? And the answer is Ben Stokes. 13th question, which country ranked second in the International Kabaddi Federation's top 10 Kabaddi teams? And the answer is Iran. 14th question, which is the highest governing body of the sledge hockey? And the answer is International Paralympic Committee. 15th question, in which year para ice hockey was introduced for the first time in Winter Paralympics? And the answer is 1994. 16th question, which is the only national team to be played in all FIFA Football World Cup editions without any absence or need for playoffs? And the answer is Brazil. 17th question, in which Summer Olympic Games the world's first intercontinental football competition was held? And the answer is 1920 Summer Olympics. 18th question, in which year the first FIFA Women's Football World Cup was held? And the answer is 1991. 19th question, which is the highest governing body of tennis sport? And the answer is International Tennis Federation. 20th question, Indian Wells Tennis Garden is located in which country? And the answer is United States. 21st question. What is Chetan Anand famous for? And the answer is as an Indian badminton player. 22nd question. Which sports competition is known as the FIBA Americas League? And the answer is basketball. 23rd question. In which year the FIBA Basketball World Cup started for the first time? And the answer is 1950. 24th question. Which sport is also known as ping pong? And the answer is table tennis. 25th question. Which two countries are involved in the ping pong diplomacy? And the answer is United States and China. 26th question. Which sports competition is known as the Curtis Cup? And the answer is golf. 27th question. Who was the first wrestler from independent India to win an individual medal in wrestling in the Olympics? And the answer is KD Jadhav. 28th question. Who became the first Asian to win a World Professional Wrestling Championship in the United States? And the answer is Jatindra Charan Gua. 29th question. Which sports championship is known as the Maharashtra Kesari? And the answer is wrestling. 30th question. Which sports regional form is Kudo? And the answer is archery. 31st question. Which country won the gold medal in women's team archery at the 2016 Summer Olympics? And the answer is South Korea. 32nd question. Which country holds the record of most number of gold medals won in the World's Men's Handball Championship? And the answer is France. 33rd question. Which boxing style is in which a boxer is able to fight a close range with a combination of technique and power, often with the ability to knock opponents out with a combination and in some instances a single shot? And the answer is boxer puncher. 34th question. Which professional boxer is nicknamed the Kid Dynamite? And the answer is Mike Tyson. 35th question. Identify the boxing defense style. A defensive style often used by a fighter where the hands are placed in front of the boxer's face. It offers extra protection to the face and make it easier to jab the opponent's face. And the answer is peekaboo. 36th question. After how many years FIFA World Cup held? And the answer is 4 years. 37th question. Who won the first ICC World Cup? And the answer is West Indies. 38th question. Who won the first T20 World Cup? And the answer is India. 39th question. What is the 100-meter world record of Usain Bolt? And the answer is 9.58 seconds. And the last 40th question. What is the women's world record for the 100-meter dash? And the answer is 10.49 सेकेंड। तो ये थे टॉप 40 स्पोर्ट्स MCQs और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है वेयर इज द फेमस बॉक्सर मैरी कॉम फ्रॉम। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।